I just bought myself this Action 5 Pro of DJI. Now, I couldn't wait to open it on camera. I had to open it. So everything is lying here, but this is the Action Pro. Okay. Yeah, on the selfie camera, the wording is the wrong way around, but let me just turn the camera around and then I can show you what I've got in this package. There's the box. Um, I got the box, the camera with the um, stick and everything and the extra batteries. Bigger CMOS than your GoPro. Then obviously the tracking, sensor tracking is very good. It says OLED, um, professional audio recording with DJI microphone. I still need to get the microphone, but that's a good thing. Um, And this is great. Capture more with 4 hours extended battery life. And that's also a thing that's driven me to the DJI, which I thought that the GoPro is not so good at. And obviously, robust stabilization. I specifically went for the DJI Osmo number one because I had a little bit of GoPro was a little bit finicky for me. Previously, it probably can be better. I stopped using GoPro at GoPro 7, but all my DJI products always gave me some of the best video and from my drone, basically my Osmo, the big Osmo with the head. I was very happy with that. And then I had the Osmo Mini, the small one, and I was very happy with that one. And I know there's Osmo Minis out again, but I still use my other Mini. It still gives me 4K and very good quality. But I decided on the Osmo Action Pro because the stabilization is so good that you actually don't need a gimbal. I also, for my bigger cameras, I have the DJI gimbal, and I was always happy with DJI products. Like I said, from my drone to everything. So I decided I'm going for the action camera. This is the camera, Action 5. And I see through this, it's a 2.8 stop, f2.8. Very nice. Yeah, so then this is your batteries. And there I've got 3 batteries inside. Obviously the cable. Then I have this box. And then this magnetic bracket. And then the stick. This is a very nice stick. And it's also got a connector there. And then I also have in this packet a helmet bracket that I can put on the helmet, and then obviously the side bracket. Okay, there's the battery. I opened this, and then basically just want to make sure it must go around like that. Oh, it's difficult to work with one hand. Okay, there it goes in, close, click. Okay, confirm, start. And obviously it shows you everything. Right, but I already set it up. But here is the little GoPro camera. Okay, there is me recording it from my phone. But it looks really nice. Got standard D-warp, horizon balancing, rock steady plus, and here you can put it off. Yeah, it looks like 4K. It can go up to 120 frames. But I'm okay when I'm on my motorbike to save space on the card. I'm happy with 25. It's very little that I actually go and do slow motion and all those things. Okay, now I'm putting it into its cage. It's difficult to work with one hand. Okay, now it's recording. And then okay, it's recording now. It was pre-recording. And cool. Let me put on this thing. This is a magnetic bracket. Is this? Oh, see, magnetic, and okay, there it's on, locked on. Look, sturdy, not coming off. Okay, now I place this stick on, sturdy. There's also applications that you can download, and application where you can actually edit the video. It's an AI editor.
I'm going for a walk on this New Year's Day, testing out my new Action5 Pro, and I will upload the footage. I'm also curious to see how the footage will look like. This part of the video is extraordinary for me. The dynamic range is quite big. You see this white sphere of the sun, and I'm not a total silhouette or in darkness. You can see the details in my body, in the shadows, like there's some sort of a fill in, but it's the sun of the background is not burnt out. So this is actually a very, very good thing for me on this specific camera. With all the leaves in this video, I don't see a lot of artifacts. Normally you see a lot of artifacts depending on the bitrate when there's a lot of leaves and a lot of details, but I don't see artifacts. I'm not sure exactly how the YouTube video compression will influence this, but according to me, this is great video. This is also taken in 4K. In this part of the video, I changed it to 120 frames per second, and the slow-mo is buttery smooth, and overall the stabilization of this camera is fantastic. In this part of the video, I changed the resolution to 2.7K and still buttery smooth, no artifacts, and the dynamic range is very good. The shadows is not too dark, and you can still see a lot of details in the shadows. Here I enlarged the video quite a bit. I zoomed in post-editing to the bird. I didn't want to go too close, and still the quality is looking very good. I think I'm very happy with my buy. The camera is working very well. The resolution of the camera is great. It's amazing. Color quality is good. I didn't change any color. This is raw out of the camera. So what you see is raw. I didn't do any editing on the images itself. So very happy with this. And I think I will have a lot of journeys with this camera on my motorbike, and it will definitely help me tell the stories of my adventures.